Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Okay, here, do you want to watch it? Come back here. Come back here. Okay, just unbuckle and do it. Just unbuckle. I don't...
Hey. If you take your seatbelt off one more time, Brady.
Where do I go?
Turn right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Brady, buckle up.
You're an asshole.
Brady, buckle up.
I hate you.
Brady, buckle up.
Do not take your seatbelt off again, Brady.
Brady, buckle up.
What if I want to walk Colin in?
Brady, buckle up. Yeah, he has to walk me in. I walked
Yeah.
him in. Brady, buckle up.
Shut up.
Brady, buckle up.
I am buckled up.
You're gonna turn right up here.
No, I think you want to turn left.
You wanna turn right. Brady, stop giving me directions.
I think left would be a great place to turn.
Brady, be quiet. You wanna turn right
Here,
here.
you just want to keep going straight?
Turn
Yeah,
right.
you just want to keep going straight. No.
Brady, you are not the tour guide.
And it's that house right there. Right there. That one. Yeah, it is.
Brady, buckle up.
You passed it.
Buckle up,
I
Brady.
am buckled up.
Brady, buckle up.